Vinyl siding is a durable, versatile, and resilient building material, but does require some routine care and cleaning. Luckily, vinyl siding is fairly easy to clean. Mix a mild detergent with water in a bucket. Select a long-handled, soft bristle brush and dunk it into the bucket or cleaner and water. To prevent streaking, start at the bottom in 5-foot sections and work up towards the top of the house. To remove stubborn mold, mix an outdoor-friendly bleach with the water and scrub with the soft bristle brush, then rinse immediately. If you're concerned about landscaping, use a solution comprised of 1 gallon of water mixed with 1 cup oxygen bleach in a bucket. Avoid using highly abrasive scrubbers or steel wool. These can cause damage. With just a little bit of time and effort, vinyl siding can be kept looking like new and will provide many years of trouble-free protection for your home.